Let's practice this phrase together with some common examples.
To what end is used to ask about the purpose, goal, or final result of an action. You use it when you want to know why someone is doing something and what they hope to achieve in the end, not just what they are doing right now. In simple words, it means, why are we doing this? What's the point? What's the final goal? What result are you trying to get? To what end does not ask about the process. It asks about the final outcome. It focuses on the end result, the bigger purpose, the reason it matters. Very often, to what end carries a tone of skepticism, doubt, or challenge. It can suggest that the action seems unclear, the effort may be unnecessary, or the result may not be worth it. So the speaker is politely or sometimes sharply questioning the value of the action. You use to what end when the reason for an action is not clear. The action feels pointless or excessive. You want someone to explain the real purpose, not just the activity.
And to what end?
And to what end?
But to what end?
But to what end?
I mean, to what end?
I mean, to what end?
To what end exactly?
To what end exactly?
You keep worrying. To what end?
You keep worrying to what end?
I was like, to what end?
I was like, to what end?
To what end are all these changes?
To what end are all these changes?
To what end does this rule exist?
To what end does this rule exist?
You did amazing today. The more you practice, the more confident and natural you'll sound. See you next time.